When I first started using the Temu FREE Gift feature, I thought the goal was simple. Open the app, find the free gift page, start clicking, hope something good happens. Looking back, I was using it completely the wrong way. The biggest mistake wasn't the feature itself, it was how I approached it. I kept treating the coupon code like an afterthought. I'd spend several minutes browsing first, then remember to enter a random code I'd copied from somewhere online. The experience was always just okay, so I decided to change only one thing. Instead of waiting until later, I activated the code on the screen before doing anything else. That became the starting point for every comparison I made. Then I used the app exactly the same way. I browsed products I actually wanted, checked the available promotions, explored the free gift section. The only difference was how the session began. After repeating this across multiple shopping sessions, I noticed a clear pattern. Starting with the code on the screen consistently gave me larger coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, extra reward opportunities, and a more active free gift section than when I relied on random code. That completely changed my routine. I stopped chasing every new working method. I stopped copying outdated coupon codes from old videos. Instead, I focused on doing one simple thing correctly from the start. Now let's keep this realistic. Temu promotions change regularly and different users may receive different offers, so no one can promise identical rewards for every account. But if you're wondering how to use the Temu FREE Gift feature the right way, here's the routine I recommend after all my testing. Start with the code on the screen, then browse naturally. Review the offers available to your account and compare your own results instead of relying on random advice online. That's the approach that consistently gave me the best overall experience. The right way is usually the simple way. You don't need dozens of tricks. You don't need to spend hours searching for the next viral code. You just need a better starting point. For me, that's exactly what the code on the screen became. Next time you open Temu, activate the code on the screen before using the free gift feature. Then come back and tell me if your coupon bundles and reward offers looked better than before.